Just got a notification. Wonder what could be out here. Ooh. Okay, so you saw that the boxes came in. So let's do a little unpacking. Let there be light. And there was. Woo! I'm a bit excited, to say the least. These are my first new wheels. Yeah, they're not on the expensive side, but you know, for me right now, this price point was what I was looking for. All right, let's crack this open. Hey, bam. That's what I'm talking about. All right, sorry for the mess in the background. Things are happening. Have you guys bought these rims before? Write down below what you think of them. I know a little bit about them. I know that they've been around since '76. They're huge in Japan, not so much in North America. Still very excited. So a little message here just saying, you know, check everything before you get tires mounted. Otherwise, they won't give you a credit to, I guess, exchange these wheels. I guess this is an unboxing video. Nice touch. Little covering to protect the face. What do you call it? Face bra? Something like that? Calm down. They look good to me. All right, the bra's off. Now they have a plastic covering on top. Once again, to protect the face. So I got what they call chrome black. Those should look nice on the Audi. Down below, let me know what you guys think. Do you like XXRs? Have they been good to you? Do they suck? How long have you had them? As well as, let me know, what do you think? Do you think it'll work on the Audi?